Thing, so.
That's alright.
Ready?
Alright. There you go, big boy. You're gonna have some soup. I mean, not some soup.
Then.
Oh, man. See his reaction.
Then, mira. Oatmeal.
I don't think he's liking it.
You don't think he's liking it?
I don't know. No.
He's like, screw this.
Let him.
No?
Let him eat it first. What happened, mijo? You not liking this shit? Unless the camera's distracting them. I'll put it down here where he can't see it. Is it cold already?
No, I just haven't warmed it up. No.
I don't think he's feeling it.
He's gotta get used to it.
Oh yeah.
It's the first time he's ever had anything with any type of texture.
That's why I stopped putting some in it. Let him eat the one he has on his lips. No. See? Ah, there you go. See? Try it out. You want more?
It's okay. What do you think? Do you like oatmeal? Yeah? It's okay, right? Yeah. Más? Más.
What's Daddy doing? Besides smashing his head into the fucking chain.
Más? Yeah.
Come on.
Mira.
Give him a little break. Gordito.